Welcome back to the channel guys. Hope you are all doing well. In today's video I'll show you how to force quit apps on your MacBook. Sometimes app freeze and stop responding, and this trick will help you get out of that trouble fast. So let's get right into it. First, press Command Option plus Escape on your keyboard. This opens the force quit application window. Command Shift plus Escape. This will open the force quit window. Otherwise you can simply go on your Apple logo and choose the force quit option right here. It is at the fifth option, force quit. You can simply click on it and you will find every app that is open right now. Click on the app to highlight it, then click on the force stop or force quit button at the bottom right here. You will get confirmation popping up. Click force quit again to close the app. This automatically stops the frozen program. If your Mac itself is frozen, you can simply press and hold the power button until it shuts down, then restart it. This is the last resort option, so make sure you do it at the last if nothing works. And that's it guys. Now you know how to force quit apps on your MacBook like a pro. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick Mac tips, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.